Tired of being broke? It's time to take control of your money. Whether it's cutting expenses, boosting savings, or earning more, you can break free from financial stress. Follow these steps to start building real wealth and peace of mind. Getting into the right mindset. Set clear financial goals. Define what you want to achieve and create both short and long-term targets to stay motivated. Track non-essential spending with a monthly budget, and if you go over one month, cut back the next. Stop comparing yourself to others or spending to impress. Live within your means and focus on what truly matters. Avoid media that promotes overspending and buy durable, high-quality items, not just trendy brands. Track every expense to see where your money goes. Categorize spending monthly: food, housing, transport, and more, to spot overspending. Plan for big costs and think in work hours before buying non-essentials. Subtract fixed bills from income to find your daily spending limit. Create a debt payoff plan. Make extra payments when possible to clear debts faster and save on interest. Understand how long minimum payments take and ask lenders about lowering your rates. Start saving even small amounts. Set aside $50 monthly for an emergency fund and contribute to retirement through a 401k or IRA. Automate your savings to stay consistent and avoid dipping into it for non-essentials. Avoiding money traps. Avoid lending money if you're struggling yourself. Focus on covering your own expenses first. Avoid payday loans. The high interest will trap you in deeper debt instead of helping. Know the true cost before taking any loan. Calculate payments, interest, and total repayment time. Mortgages can be worthwhile, but avoid high-interest loans for depreciating assets like cars. Always read the fine print. Rates can rise later. Avoid impulse buying by planning purchases and sticking to a shopping list. Stay away from tempting stores, spend time with frugal people, and give big purchases a few days before deciding. Use credit cards carefully. If they make budgeting hard, switch to cash. If you can manage them well, choose a no-fee rewards card, but always pay on time to avoid costly interest. Spending less. Review your daily spending and cut costly habits. Quit smoking, make coffee at home, use a reusable water bottle, and bring lunch to work. Skip the lottery. It drains money better spent elsewhere. Buy used to save money on cars, furniture, clothes, and electronics. Look for refurbished gadgets or second-hand pieces you can refresh with a little DIY work. Review monthly subscriptions and cancel what you don't use. Cut unused services like premium channels or excess phone data. Reevaluate memberships and find cheaper alternatives like a lower-cost gym or plan. Compare prices and brands to get the best deals. Check rates for insurance and services, use coupons, and factor in shipping costs. Avoid driving far for small savings and skip deals on things you don't need. Ask your service providers for discounts or better rates. Loyal customers often get deals. It works with cable, internet, insurance, and phone companies. Cut entertainment and dining costs by cooking at home, hosting potlucks, and finding free local events. Skip souvenirs, attend smaller games, and always check for online discounts before going out. Do tasks yourself instead of paying for services like laundry or yard work. Learn basic repairs through online videos or local classes to save money and gain useful skills. Save on energy by sealing air gaps, adding insulation, and lowering your thermostat. Use energy-efficient appliances, switch to LED bulbs, turn off lights, and unplug devices when not in use. Avoid bank and credit card fees by choosing providers with free accounts. Use your own bank's ATMs, pay bills on time, and look for banks or credit unions offering no-fee checking and savings options. Plan a few no-spend days each month. Challenge yourself to use what you already have and find creative ways to get through the day without spending anything. And earning more. Get a better job if cutting expenses isn't enough. Update your resume, network, and look for advancement opportunities. Ask for a raise if you deserve one, or gain new skills through education to qualify for higher-paying roles. Earn extra income through freelance work, part-time jobs, or side gigs. Use your skills to consult, sell handmade items, write blogs, or take short-term jobs like surveys, focus groups, or dog walking.
Sell items you no longer need for extra cash. Host a yard sale or list valuable things on eBay or Craigslist. Take quality clothes to a consignment shop to earn without the hassle. Thanks for watching.